Hello, my name is Christopher Chong. I am the creative director of Amouage. I am so excited to be in Warsaw, to be invited by the Perfumerii Quality Missala. I'm in Warsaw to present my latest creation, Portrayal for Man and Portrayal for Women. Portrayal is inspired by the 1920s London meet early 1980s downtown Greenwich Village.
Okay, everyone say hello.
Hello, Professor.
Yeah. Warsaw is wonderful.
In both fragrances, it's all about freedom and liberation. In Portrayal for Man, it's a floral and woody fragrance that is very different, with a sense of difference at the top with a floral opening. In Portrayal for Women, the fragrance is very sensual with the jasmine and the smokiness of the tobacco in the heart. And I hope you will like both Portrayal as much as I do. Thank you.